Good evening. My name is Joan Sebastian Fierro Galeano, and with code is 58001959. I am going to present the degree option work, which will be improving the thing for the tender of the Colombian beer plant give to BJ Engineering, located in Tocancipá, Cundinamarca. Which is to carry outward practice in BJ Engineering, which is a company is a metal mechanic engineering in charge of providing service to other companies such as manufacture and assembly of structures, tanks, machinery, stainless pipe and AC, and manufacture, maintenance, and assembly of chain conveyors, buckets, bands, and thermal insulation, painting, air conditioning, ducts, ventilation, and storage. This logo is the following. In the area of action is a private formed by a limited partnership. Whose object type is the manufacture of metal products for structural use, where its supports is to maximize benefits through adhering to the profit and loss system. Its main business address in transversal 4, number 6, 195, in the city of Tocancipá, Cundinamarca, is here. And the organization chart of the company is as follows, for which is going to solve are in the when planning, designing, and executing the improvements products of the last tenders. In the area folding the relevant tax in the right. I am an auxiliary of the calidad and design. The main problem that's evident in the company for which is going to solve are failures when planning, designing, and executing the improvements in the production of the last tenders carried out and improper formats. In the degree option outline, among the main lines of application of the subjects and topics in the matter are those of application engineering, with subjects sub as methods engineering is a subject for six semester, and the planning and control of production and is a seventh semester, and the signal production system is a eighth semester. By those days together with the more topic will be applied the practice. Follow it be engineering science with subjects such as graphic expressions is a subject of the first semester, and with engineering materials is a third semester of and solid mechanics is a fourth semester. And just as the most important within this that are evident with finance is the eighth semester, and contability is an third semester, and physics in second semester, and in the others. In the objectives and work methods is first is investigate the current situation of each of the tenders that BJ Engineering has. Second is identify the tender that best with what BJ requires and focus the study and analyze on it. Third is carry out the corresponding documentation in order to provide a clear framework for the organization's operations, thus giving consistency to the process and are good to be carried out. And the fourth is carry out the design of the improvement process for the organization. And the five is carry out load and stress analyze to determine the design complies with the quality standards and agreed with binding compliance. And six is evaluate and review the codes of the project with carrying out the design. In the results, first the support is carried out in SolidWorks. Here is the image on the left with these four bits according to the issue standard. Is frontal, right, up and down, and isometric. And on the right image of the from is the load analysis of the same was carried out from the subprogram 2000 denoting to this response and breaking moment. Is where the search for bending moment and determinants can be seen in the image in the areas between blue and red where twist two are perpendicular. That is to say the structure will not bend on break at the time the boards are placed and 10 kilograms. Since when the bending moment is maximum, the cultural point will be 0. It's a image of up is theta, right is x, and sorry, left is x and right is y. And finally, the conclusions, the tender that the tender that best meets the needs of the intern choosing. Science is the one that allowed team to be able to execute it, that we have learning during the degree. And the tender in the Colombian brewer was investigate both qualitative and quantitative to better execute the process, identifying the problem, cause, and the proposal to be executed. And it was identified that the tender for the Colombian brewery is the one that can lead the highest profile margin for BJ Engineering in a financial and social term for possible agreements. And the support for the bottle washer must be coated with epoxy, syntax a corrosion inhibitor for steel surface, ideal when you want to give a high kinetics by hand, therefore it will able to support the 10,000 kilograms that are required regularly. Is a proposal implementing the Colombian brewery in the second half of 2023. The company will be allowed to increase it. Is a promotion therefore shall next year this generating more profit. And for finally is improving two of the tools that can be implemented in the Colombia brewery, implementing their productivity. And thank you.